Valve stem, take
20.
or 3, I don't know.
Alright, so
put a little lube.
what kind of lube you use?
Dish soap. Put the thing in the thing.
Dish soap is lube. So, alright, so you think this thing is a bitch to get in?
Yeah, right here.
So we're thinking this might be the tool.
Oh my god, dude.
What's up?
Oh my god, alright.
What's up?
Alright.
Wasn't that a pain in the ass without the lube and that thing? Oh, now you feel like an idiot going to the place. Hey, I need a smaller one. You know what? They might all be the same size for everything, cars and everything.
No, there's a different one. There's like a .453 and a .65, some shit.
Oh well, you live and learn.
Oh my god, dude, I feel so good right now.
So that's the tool.
It's right here. This is the valve stem, and this is the insert.
I mean, I always been using this one. I never had to change that. So, all right,
it was
man.
right under your nose this whole time.
Fucking A. All right, that was easy. Oh yeah, tire was warming up, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot. What did you do to it?
I put it in a box with my space heater.
That's funny.
So, here's the dot.
All right.
Rotation is this way,
Dot
and this
goes by the valve.
This is
that's the lightest part of the wheel.
Yeah, and this is the side of the sprocket. So, right.
Which way does the bike go? This way or that way?
This counterclockwise. So it goes that way.
Okay. Where's the arrow?
Right here.
Rotation. So it goes like that. That means that's the front of the bike.
Huh?
That's the front of the bike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, did I say? Yeah.
Because you said that was.
Right.
All right.
So.
Good. First one, the first part.
Easiest.
Yeah, the first layer just should be able to pop right in. Muscle that bad boy. Should have put some on the rim too. You didn't put any on the rim. Go ahead.
And some of it. It's all about the
There we go.
lube.
Get it. Try to. There we go. All right.
Right. So.
Just gotta use your muscles.
Yeah.
And then.
On the inside, yeah.
Get it started, then I have to start using the irons. I want to get the valve part in. And try not to get, you got to get it in the channel.
It's hard with the slippery shit.
All right, I'm going to give you a hand.
Suzuki GS500.
94?
Yep.
You want to put the tie wrap so the thing stays in the channel?
Yeah. So we did it down here, right?
Yeah. The opposite. So the wheel has got to go into this channel, both sides. The little channel there. So then, as much as possible goes to that side, so that we can iron it in. So put a few tie wraps on this side, and then it'll fall into the channel. There's no way you're gonna get a tire on unless it's in the channel. So, all right, I'll come back when we get them on. That looks like this. Can't see the tie wrap job. So
Just around the rubber part.
So we get it. You get it into the channel now. It's a big difference. It's in there. So now the tire can go as much as possible that way. So this can happen. All right. Shit, I'm gonna have to help. Sorry, gotta go. That went out pretty easy. That was like 30 seconds, no?
Yep.
Just fucking tire iron in it. Sorry, I couldn't. I gotta get a little tripod. Hold this.
Gotta get a film crew.
We need an extra guy then. Fuck, Matt could have been doing this. That's all he's good for. Oh shit. The one day we could actually use the douchebag. Alright, so now we gotta lube like fucking crazy. No, lube it now. Before you do that, while it's still open, lube it as much as possible.
What do you mean? Oh.
Like, while it's, get as much in there. Get it all over the place.
Right. Okay.
Get it all over. Because now this has all got to be lubed. And then we got to bounce the tire around to get it out of the what do you call it? Because now out of the channel, it won't come out of there. Yeah, got to be seated. That's what it's called. Yes. So go crazy with the lube. Oh, and the other side needs it too. The other side needs to be slippery too. So, man, just lube the shit out of it. Solves a lot of problems usually.
Always.
Both sides.
Let me get the zip ties out.
No, leave that while that one's in, because then you got, you know, because it'll give a little bit, but then there'll be lube in there. You know what I mean? Well, a Windex, but that's what people say to use. This was popular. And then the tire's got to be bounced around, and then it'll come out of the. Yeah, we learned the hard way though, didn't we? Yeah, the first one, man.
Let's see if the bigger tire is easier. The rear tire.
That's another thing. This is a little bit bigger tire. It's easier for that reason. Also, the valve is seated goodly.
Yeah. Let me.
All right, time to start bouncing this motherfucker. Oh, you didn't put it in yet. All right, so the valve's got to go in now, or the valve stem. Or is that? No, that's actually the valve.
It's
that's the valve.
Stem.
Is it? I
Yeah,
thought
this
was
is
the
the
stem. All right. Just got to be screwed in with this fantastic tool. What the fuck would I do without this thing? And it's a cheap one too.
There we go.
That's that little push button thing.
Yeah.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
All right.
So now.
Bounce that motherfucker around, man.
Turn on the compressor.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
See that? One right. That's one we lubed it up a lot more. The first one we didn't do it all, and it's a bigger tire. Yeah, it's going. Oh, this is nothing. Nothing.
I think it'll just seat easily.
All right. All right. Here you go.
It around a bunch of times. So now.
Oh, a bunch of times. Let's hear that shit pop. It's going. Let it go. I heard it start.
Right there. It's about to.
Let it go. Let's see how much pressure's in it. Yeah, it's good. There you go. Ah, that's one side. The other side. Let's hear it.
Right there. There
Two.
you fucking.
How much is in there now?
25.
Do it a little bit more than it needs to be.
Yeah. So now we're gonna let it out.
Now I'm going to take the valve stem out, release all the air, and then seat it again, just to make sure the bead's set and everything's just perfect. Oh man, the fucking compressor, I gotta shut it off.